Hello everyone, let's move to the next command, which is very important to understand. The next command for Linux communication and network troubleshooting is your traceroute. This command is used in Linux or Unix operating system to map the journey that a packet of information undertakes from its source to destination. It shows how a data transmission traveled from a local machine to a remote one. So let me try to explain with an example. Suppose I'm sitting on system A and I want to reach to some destination server which is placed at a remote location. So what would be the path to reach to the destination? That would be told by your traceroute command. Suppose I'm sitting on system A. I have simplified the command ping and I have given the destination server name. I will get an output. But at the backend what happened? A packet will come out from my system A and it will try to reach to the destination. So what would be the path this packet will follow? That we will come to know via this command. How many routers, how many hops that packet has to pass to reach to the destination. So this mapping, this data transmission will get with this traceroute command. So let me move towards my Linux box and we'll show you how we can use this. So it's very simple, traceroute, and I can give the name of my server. Suppose I'm giving google.com. So the output will be coming like that. Here you can see that I have got this output. The first line you can see that what does it say? The first line shows the host name and IP that is to be reached, where I want to reach. I want to reach to the google.com. The maximum number of hops, it is showing 30. Hops means here it's a computer networking term that refers to the number of routers that a packet passes through from its source to the destination. So that's the maximum number of the routers. And after that you can see that it started searching for the path. Initially first it is showing star. Here you can see that it means that they have tried. First they have reached to the first router, but they didn't get any response. 3 star means they will try to search for 3 times with the interval of 5 seconds. If they are not getting a response with the router, they will consider as a star. Now let's understand this line. Next line, here you can see that then each line lists a hops to get to the destination. How it will get to the destination? Each line tells that. The host name is given followed by the IP address. Somewhere you can see only IP, but at the last you can see that I have got the name with IP as well. Okay. And we have got 3 intervals like this one, 3 intervals of time. Every line you can see 3 timing we are getting here. So by default traceroute sends 3 packets for each host. So 3 responses times are listed here. This one, and this one. 3 responses we got. Okay. You can add on few more options with that, and finally you can see that it has been reached to the destination. So they have first reached this via, and it reached to the destination. You can add few options with that like traceroute -n and google.com if I'm using, or reddit.com. So basically n is to disable IP address mapping. So here you will see only IP address. You will not see the IP address with the naming. And if you want to by default it is giving a query of 3 times to each hops, each router, we can say that. If you want to reduce the hops, you can set with this command trace route -q1 and then google.com. Now you can see that I'm getting only one time. Earlier it was showing 3 timings responses. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Hope you have understand how we can use traceroute command to get the mapping of the path to reach to the destination. So this command is very useful as a troubleshooting point of view as well. Suppose if I want to reach to destination but I am not able to reach to the destination just because of some network issues. So with the help of this command we can at least find out my packet is reaching up to which router, and from that router will come to know that there could be some issue with the router because my packet is reaching to that router. After that my packet is not going next router. So in that case we can involve to the network guys, network team, and we'll ask them, is there an issue with the router because my packet is reaching to that router only, it is not reaching to the destination. So like this way we can do a lot of troubleshooting with that command. So thanks for watching, and if you have time please join with me next lecture.